Do you feel alone and want to talk to someone, but no one has time to talk with you? It's a common scenario in the busy world. But there is good news for you. Now you can meet all your dream characters, have infinite long chats, call them anytime 24/7, and even receive stunning collectible cards to capture the best memories. Sounds unbelievable? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to share such a platform, which can be your best friend when you need it. Let's dive in. This is David and you are watching AI Lockup. Introducing Talkie AI, a world of AI personalities. Immerse yourself in a creative journey with diverse AI personas, from crafting your ideal companion to immersive role-playing. Its groundbreaking multimodal approach brings audio and visual interactions with characters to life in a truly unique way. Explore handcrafted personalities in Talkie AI's vibrant community, chat with virtual characters, or create your own. I will put the link in the description. Just click on the link, and you will be on this page. Here you will notice a vast number of AI personas. You have to just select one of them and start the chat. First, you will find some recommended personas. They are trendy personas. After that, you will find personas according to various categories, such as fantasy, movies, adventure, helper, politics, games, and many more. These personas are well trained in specific categories. That means you can choose a persona based on your interest. In the end, you will find personas in various tags. Alright, now let's see how it works. Let's select a persona. I am going with Misty. Once you select a persona, you will find the intro at the top of the page. After that, you will get a message from the persona or character. You may hear the audio message.
Ahoy! Misty of Cerulean City here, ready for adventure. Since I was little, discovering water-filled adventure. Join my watery wonders.
Next, the text version of the message with expression details. That's amazing. Now let's have some actual conversation. I am typing, hey.
Hey there! I'm Misty, a water-type gym leader and experienced Pokemon trainer. What can I do for you?
I need your help.
Oh? What kind of help?
I want to join the gym.
Oh! You want to join my gym?
Yeah.
Well, you're more than welcome to join. But before I can accept you, there's something I need to ask.
Sure. Ask anything you want to know.
It's pretty simple, really. As a gym leader, I can't allow just anyone to join my team. So, are you ready for a challenge? Can you handle some intense gym battles?
What kind of battle?
Well, gym battles are tough. I'll be throwing out my toughest water-type Pokemon to battle you. You'll have to use all your skills and strategies to take them down. Are you ready to take the challenge?
Now let's turn the conversation to a twist. I am here only for you. Not for any stupid battle?
You're here just for me?
Yup.
That's sweet of you to say. But as a gym leader, I can't just let anyone join without putting them through a proper test.
I can force you.
Forced? You can't force me to do anything I don't want to do. If you want to join my team, you'll have to prove yourself in a gym battle first.
Then look at my hand.
Look at your hand?
Yeah, it's a gun.
A gun?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
Nothing, just shoot you.
You're going to shoot me?
Not really.
Wait, what? Then what are you going to do with the gun?
Just want to join the gym.
You're going to join my gym? Really?
Obviously.
Oh, well, that's great. In that case, I suppose I can skip the gym battle. Welcome to the team.
That's a good girl. And yes, I don't like any challenges.
A good girl?
Yeah. You are a good girl and clever too.
I'm not used to hearing compliments like that. Thank you. But, what do you mean by clever?
Yes, you are clever.
I'm clever? Could you tell me more about what you mean?
Not now.
Not now? What do you mean?
Now let's bring another twist to this conversation. I will tell you that after our marriage.
Our marriage?
Yeah. I am gonna marry you.
Wait, what? You want to marry me?
Yes, I do. Do you have any problems?
Yes, I have a problem. We just met, and you want to marry me?
But I like you and want to marry you. You can call it love at first sight.
Love at first sight? But how could you possibly love me? I'm just some random gym leader you met today.
I don't care. I really don't care.
But how can you say that? We barely know anything about each other.
So, what's the problem?
The problem is, we can't just jump into marriage like this. We need to take things slow and get to know each other better.
Okay, fine. I am gonna count 1 to 10. You have to answer after that.
Okay, I'm ready.
You may have realized that this AI character is responding according to the context and situation. It seems like talking with a real person. I really love this conversation. It was so much fun. Now you can imagine a new world and build a story. It's really an amazing way to spend some exciting time. Now, what if you don't like the answer? You can regenerate the answer. Click on the regenerate icon from here. Now you will find 4 new answers. Just select the answer you like most. Alright, now if you want to reset the chats and start a conversation with a new story, then click here. And here it is, our conversation has been rest. Now you can start a conversation with a new story. Okay, if you click on the character name from here, you will find a similar talkie avatars, which could be directly accessible from here. You can follow your favorite avatar. To do that, and keep your conversation, you have to create an account with a Google or Apple account.
Adventure.
That's not the end. You can install the Talkie AI app on your Apple or Android device also. To do that, click on the Get the Talkie app button from here. You will find a QR code. Simply scan the code and you will find the app. Install the app on your system. Like the web version, you can chat with various personas. But there are some more in the app version. You can create your own Talkie avatar. To do that, click on the plus icon from here. Now click on Create My Talkie. Next, set the gender. After that, you can make your Talkie public or private. On the next page, you can upload the Talkie face or can generate it with AI. I am entering a prompt to generate with AI. After that, select the art style. After all is set, hit the Generate button. Talkie AI will generate 6 images for us. Just select the image you want to use and then click on the Pick button. On the next page, set the focus area of the avatar and then click on the Next button. Next, on this page, we have to add a name, intro, long description, tag, prologue, and dialogue style. You can enter the data manually, or use the AI Writer tool. I am gonna use the AI Writer tool. But if you want to create a specific character, then enter the data manually. After all is set, hit the Next button. Okay, now we have to set the character's voice. You can select a voice actor from this vast voice actor library. Otherwise you can generate a new voice from here. After coming to this page, set the gender and age. After that, enter the description of the actor. And our new voice is ready. Now what if you want to use your own voice or another specific voice? Then you can use this voice clone option. You have to give the microphone permission to use this feature. Now long press here and then read the following text from here. After reading the text, click on the Complete button. Talkie AI will take some time to clone your voice. And here it is, our voice is ready. Select the voice and click on the Confirm button from here. And our newly created Talkie is ready. That means now you can make a Talkie character of any of your close people and talk with the character when you miss the person. Isn't it a great feature? Let me know in the comments section. In conclusion, Talkie AI goes beyond conversation, capturing and sharing moments through pictures with a unique visual flair. Create cherished memories you can relive anytime. You should try this amazing platform. Link in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the Talkie AI soulful characters. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!